Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 10th class mensuration, and in that 10.3 exercise, the first problem is uh, an iron pillar consists of. So let us see this. An iron pillar consists of a cylindrical portion of 2.8 meters height and 20 centimeters diameter. So, what is it having? A cylindrical portion of, this is a cylindrical portion of 2.8 meters height and 20 centimeters in diameter, and a cone of 42 centimeters height are mounted on it. So upon it there is a cone. The cone height is 42 centimeters. Now the question is, find the weight of the pillar for 1 cubic centimeter if iron weighs 7.5 kgs. So weight of iron is equal to 7.5 grams per cubic centimeter. So we need to find out weight of the pillar. This is the question. What is the weight of the pillar? So here, see children, cubic centimeters means we need to find out volume. So first we have to find out volume of pillar. How will you find out volume of pillar? Volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. These two you have to do. So how are you getting volume of cylinder? Pi r square h plus volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. But in this case, height of the cylinder is different, height of the cone is different. So let us call this as h1 and h2. And one more thing children, here this is height is given as 2.8 meters. See here cubic centimeters. So you have to convert it into centimeters into 100. If you do 2800, keep a point here, that is 280 centimeters. We have converted height into centimeters. So pi r square h1 plus 1/3 pi r square h2. So in these two I can take pi r square as common because both of them are having same radius into h1 plus here 1/3 h2. So let us continue it here. So what did we get? Pi r square into h1 plus 1/3 h2. So pi is 22/7 into radius. See children here, diameter is given as 20 centimeters. Diameter is 20 centimeters. So if it is 20 centimeters, radius is 10 centimeters. So 10 into 10 into h1. h1 is the height of the cylinder, 280 plus 1/3 into h2 is 42 centimeters. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So 22/7 into 10 into 10 into 280 plus 14. How much you are getting? 4 here, 9, 2. 294. So it can be cancelled with 7. 7 fours are, 7 twos are. So how much are you getting? 42 into 22 if you do. 42 into 22. 2 fours are 8, 4 and 8. 4, 12, 9. 924, two more zeros are there. This many cubic centimeters is the volume. Okay, volume we are getting 924, 92,400 cubic centimeters. Now, weight of iron is 7.5 grams per cubic centimeter. Therefore, weight of pillar is equal to 92400 into 7.5. So, let us see how much. 92400, 92,400 into 7.5. 0, 0, 5, 4, that 20, 10 to 12, 45, 1, 46, 0, 0, 7, 4, that 28, 14 to 16, 7, 9, that 63, 64. So 0, 0, 0, 10, 13, 9, 6. So there is a decimal, so remove that 0. So you are getting 693,000 grams. That means what, children? 693 kgs. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. This is first sum. Now, second problem, children. The second problem is a toy is made from a toy is made from. It is like this. A toy is made from a hemisphere surmounted by a right cone. There is a hemisphere surmounted by a right cone. It is like this. Right, cone whose circular base is joined with the plane. See, cone's circular base is joined with the hemisphere. Whose circular base is joined with the plane surface of the hemisphere. The radius of the base of the cone is 7 centimeters. This radius is 7 centimeters. Radius of the cone is 7 centimeters and its volume is 3 by 2 of hemisphere. What did they give? Volume of cone is equal to 3 by 2 volume of hemisphere. This is given to us. Hemisphere. The radius of the base of the cone is 7 centimeters and its volume is 3 by 2 of hemisphere. Calculate the height of the cone and surface area of the toy. What is that they are asking? Height of the cone. Height of the cone is how much? And surface area of the toy is how much? So, see here, children. Volume of cone is equal to 3 by 2 volume of hemisphere. So, volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to volume of hemisphere is 3 by 2 of volume of cone is 3 by 2 of volume of hemisphere. So 3 by 2 into volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 and 2, 3 and 3, even pi will get cancelled. R square and here 1 r will. Now height h is equal to 3 when it goes here, 3 into r. That is nothing but 3 into r is 7. 21 centimeters. Therefore, height of the cone is equal to 21 centimeters. Now, the next part here is you need to find out CSA of the toy. CSA of toy is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. So CSA of cone is pi RL plus CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Of course, we know radius, but we don't know L. We want L. L is equal to root of h square plus r square. That is root of 21 square plus r is 7 square. So let us see. 21 into 21. 1, 2, 2, 4. So 1, 4, 4. 400 and 441 plus 49. How much are you getting? Root of 10, 9, 4. 490. 490 can be written as root of 49 into 10. That is root 49 is 7. 7 root 10. So let us see what is 7 root 10. Root 10, let us find out its value. 3 threes are 9. 1, take a point, 2 zeros. Here 3 twos are 6. 6 ones are only 61. Now you are getting 9 and 3. Take 2 more zeros. Here 2 and 6. 6 sixes are almost 3.16 you will be getting. So 7 into 3.16. 6 sevens are 42. 7 6 are 42. 7 ones are 7 4 11. 7 threes are 21. 22. So 22.12 centimeters is length. So let us continue with this CSA of tie. So CSA of tie is equal to, we have got pi RL plus 2 pi r square. So in this pi r is common, L plus 2r. 1 r has gone out, so only 1 r will be there, and 2. Pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into L. L we have got 22.12 plus 2 into r is 7. 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 24 into 22.12 plus 14. That is 22 into 6, 3, 36.12. So 36.12 into 22. 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 6 1 7, so 4, 2, 2, 7. 4 here, 6 here, 4 here, 9 here, 7. 794.64. Therefore, volume of the tie is equal to 794.64 cubic centimeters. This is the answer for this problem, children. Second problem, please note it down. Now, third problem, children. Find the volume of the largest right circular cone that can be cut out of a cube whose edge is 7 centimeters. There is a cube. This is a cube which is having side as 7 centimeters. From this or through this cube, what they are making a cone, and they are asking us to find out what is the largest cone that can be cut. Largest cone will have its diameter same as that of the uh, side of the cube, and its height also will be same as that of the edge of the cube. So this is 7 means this is also 7 centimeters, and its height also will be 7 centimeters only, because The largest possible you can draw in this way. So volume of cone. Volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h, that is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius. Diameter is 7 centimeters. So radius is 7 by 2 centimeters. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height. Height is also 7. So 7 and 7, 2 ones are 2 11s are. So how much are you getting? 7 sevens are 49. 49 into 11. 11 nines are 99. 44. 44 6 50. 53. 539 you are getting. So 539 by 6. 539 by 6 means 6 8s are 48. 5. Then 6 nines are 59 means 6 nines are 54. Again 5. 6 sevens are 50 means 6 eights are 48. Not 7. 6 eights are 48 and 2, that means 6 threes are 18. 89.83. Therefore, volume of what is that? Largest right, largest cone is equal to 89.83 cubic centimeters is the answer for this problem, children. This is third one. Please note it down. A very simple small problem it is. Now fourth sum, children. A cylindrical mug, let me read this. A cylindrical mug of radius 5 centimeters and height 9.58 centimeters is full of water. There is a cylindrical mug. Let us consider this as the mug. Okay. A cylindrical mug of height of radius 5 centimeters. This radius is 5 centimeters and height is 9.8 centimeters. This is the height. This is full of water and a solid in the form of right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere is immersed into the mug. See, it is full of water and into this a hemisphere, a hemisphere uh, the radius a hemisphere surmounted mounted cone, a circular cone mounted on a hemisphere. So let me say this is a hemisphere and upon it a cone is there. This is immersed into it. So a solid in the form of circular, right circular cone mounted on hemisphere is immersed in the mug. The radius of the hemisphere is 3.5. This radius is 3.5 centimeters and height of the cone is 5 centimeters. Height of the cone is 5 centimeters. Now, what is the question? The question is find the volume of water left in the tub. Volume of water left in the tub. This is nothing but volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. Since solid is having two figures here, let us first find out what is volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, that is 22 by 7 into what is radius 5. 5 into 5 into height is 9.8. 7 ones are 7 fours are. So 5 fives are 25. 25 into 22. So 2 fives are, this is 50. 0 5 you are getting 550. It should be multiplied by 1.4. So 14 fives are 70. 14 fives are 70, 77. So 770, one digit. You have to take 770. So I have multiplied 5 fives are 25 into 22 into 1.4. So this is 770 cubic centimeters is the volume of the cylinder. Now let us go for volume of solid. What is volume of solid? Volume of solid is equal to, we have got volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. These two you have to add. Volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. So in these two cases, I can take 1/3 pi r square as the common. So here I'll get 2 into r. 1 r, 2 r's are here, 1 r is here, plus 1/3 pi r square is given here, only h. That is 1/3 pi r square into 2r plus h. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into what is radius? Radius of this solid we have to talk about. Radius of solid is 3.5 into 3.5 into 2 into 3.5 plus height. Height is 5. So this is 7 1 the 7.5. Okay, so 1 by 3 into 22 into 0.5 into 3.5 into, this is 2 into 3.5, 3.5 into 2 is how much? This is 7. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 7 plus 5 is 12. I have written it here. 3 ones are 3 fours are. I can cancel it here. So 4 fives are 20. 20 means, see, 4 and 5, if I multiply 20, 20 means 2 you will be getting. 2 into 3.5 is 7 you are getting. 7 into 22. 22 into 7. 7 twos are 14. 154 cubic centimeters is volume of solid. So, you need to find out volume of water left. This is nothing but, we said volume of cylinder, that is 770 minus 154. So how much you are getting? 770 minus 154. 6 you are getting here. 1 here. 6. So 660 cubic centimeters is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. With this, I am going to conclude my part today. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.